So for the first look, we are going to start by sectioning our hair in half and then tying the top half up with a hair elastic or hairband. Then we are going to take a claw clip and clip it right at the base of the ponytail. Right now, I'm just using my hands to smooth it out and get it laying right where I want it to lay. Then I am taking the face framing pieces that I think are a bit too overwhelming, and I'm just clipping them back with a simple hair clip. The next step is to take about 1.5 inches or an inch section of your hair, and you're just going to do a simple 3-strand braid on both sides of the head. I got quite a few requests to do hair bows and braid styles, so that is what I'm doing here. I just took some ribbon and tied it into the shape of a bow and added it to a bobby pin, and then I just kind of like stabbed it through the braid. But I really like this hairstyle. It turned out super cute and it didn't take that long, so it's really good for everyday wear. For this next style, we will be sectioning our hair into two, going from top to bottom down the middle. You're going to want to tie off one of the sides of your hair. It doesn't matter which one, because we'll be doing the same to both sides. Then you're going to section from the top of your head all the way down to your ear, as you see me doing here. And you're just going to kind of set that aside for later. Then you're going to slick your hair up into a ponytail, and you're going to repeat the same process on the other side as well. Then you're going to grab another hair tie and twist your hair like this and wrap it around in a little bun. Make sure to leave out a little tail at the end because we're going to use that to give it the spiky effect. Once your hair is tied back in the bun, you can go ahead and mess around with the parts that are sticking out and get them to lay where you want them to lay. Then, using a mini hair elastic, you are going to want to tie your hair off just so that everything stays in place and you don't need 1,000 pins. Then you're going to take the hair and put it behind your head, and you're going to use 2 bobby pins to secure it in place. I really enjoyed this look, and I think it's fun and interesting and will be a great addition to any outfit. It's super quick and easy and great for everyday wear, no matter the occasion. For this look, we are going to be taking all of our hair and slicking it up into a ponytail and just tying that off with an elastic. However, when you get to the last round of the elastic, you're going to section the ponytail in half, as you see me doing here, and only pull the top half through the hair elastic. This is going to give your ponytail so much more volume than regular elastic would. And here I'm just pinning the stray hairs up so that they are not out and it doesn't look all messy. Then you're going to take about a 1-inch section of hair, and I'm just doing a very simple 3-strand braid. So I did 2 braids on each side of the ponytail and tied it off with a little mini elastic. And then I brought back the ribbons and bobby pins for this look. So I'm doing the same thing I did with the look before and just kind of stabbing the bobby pins into the braid. I only used 2 for this look though, but you are more than welcome to use as many as you'd like. This hairstyle was super quick and very easy, and it's a fun little twist on something that I actually wear very often. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle and will most likely be adding the little braids with bows the next time I wear it like this. So for this look, we are once again splitting our hair down the middle, going from top to bottom. Once it is split down the middle, go ahead and tie off one of the sides. Again, doesn't matter which one, just as long as it's out of the way for the next step. So here I'm just slicking all the hair behind my ear and then splitting it into 3 and just doing a very simple 3-strand braid. And I will be doing that on both sides and then tying it off with a hair tie. So I wanted to do something a little different with my bangs, so I decided to go for a little faux side part, and I split them that way. Here I'm just bringing back the ribbon and bobby pins again and doing the same thing as before, where I just stab it through the braid. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. It, again, like the others, was very quick, easy, simple, and I really liked the bows and how they added a little extra something to the braids. This look is great if you want something that is simple but also still unique for a daily basis. For this last look, I will be taking all of my hair and putting it up into as high of a ponytail as I can get with the length of my hair. Very similar to the ponytail from before, we are going to be tying it with an elastic, but on that last round, sectioning the ponytail into 2 and pulling only the top half through that last round. Then I'm going to take the ponytail and I'm going to add a claw clip right at the base of the ponytail, similar to when we did the half up style. And then I'm going to flip it back and use my hands to slick it and get it to where I want it to lay. This is giving a very, very voluminous and bouncy ponytail that almost looks like a bun. I really like this hairstyle. It is messy, but organized mess. And it's really good for daily. It keeps the hair out of your face, and it actually didn't hurt my head. I have quite thick hair, so a lot of hairstyles will give me a headache, but this one did not. So definitely really good for daily wear. I like it a lot and will be wearing it a lot. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!